Hello, my dear students and friends. Welcome back. I am Subodh Maheshwari from India, and I am going to make that video for you that was due for many days. So, today I am going to make it for you, and this is about model may and might. So, these are models and how we use may and might. And definitely I'll try to make you understand how we can use may. So first let's talk about may. So the first use of may is when you make a request or it is a kind of permission. So permission or request. Like I say, but remember one thing, we use first person with that, I or we, for making a request. Like if I say, may I come in, sir? May I come in, sir? May I come in, sir? Means you can use only first person, I or we, with may when we make a request or we are taking a permission. So may I come in, sir? Like may we go out? May we go out? Like this. So that is the first use of may. Now let's make second use of may. Second use of may is to now the second use of may is to show possibility. To show possibility, like we say, it may rain today, because we think that we see clouds in the sky, so we think that it may rain today. Second example we may take here, like he may come today. So this is the second use of may. First was to make a request or to take permission and to show possibility, and third example is to bless someone. To bless someone, but we never use I or we in blessing. We use some other or any other subject, but not I and we. So like we say, may you live long, and we use exclamatory sign here. May you live long. May he recover soon. May you get well soon. Like this. So this is the use of may. This is the use of may. And now we learn use of might. And here one more I would like to tell you, the fourth use of may. Like sometimes we use he takes English coaching so that he may speak good English. Like this. And now we would like to learn might here. Similarly, it is sometimes called the past of may. So it is also used to show less possibility than may. It has less possibility than may. Like it may rain means possibility is there because we see clouds in the sky. It might rain today. It means less possibility. Second use is similarly he takes English coaching. That is in present, but it may be in past. He took English coaching. We can take this here so that he might speak good English. We may use it like this. He takes English coaching here, but it should be he took. What is the problem with this? So this is the use of might. And next, sometimes we use subject may plus be plus v4 means ing form. This is ing form plus object. We use that form also. How we use it? Like it shows actually future or maybe present situation. Like suppose I ask you what is your father doing this time, but you can't see. Suppose your father is not before you and you can't see your father. You are sitting with someone and that person is asking you about your father. What's your father doing? And you say he may be in garden. He may be in garden. He may be gardening. Or he may be watering the plants. He may be watering the plants. He may be watering the plants. Like this. Or you are inside the room and you see that somebody is there on the door. Somebody rings the bell or somebody knocks the door. You say it may be our milkman. it may be, because possibility is there, it may be, or milkman, like this. And one more I want to tell you that is also very important. Might plus have plus v3 plus object. It might have, like when we think that something has happened, we are not sure, but we expect that that thing has already happened. That time we use might. Like suppose your brother or somebody, your friend, left for Delhi yesterday, or left for UK yesterday, and not today. You think that he might have reached UK now. He might have reached UK now. अब वो वहाँ पहुँच गया होगा. अब ऐसा हो गया होगा. He might have reached UK now. He might have done good in exam. He might have done good in exam. So that was the use of may and might. I tried to make you understand. Please watch it from the beginning again if you think you want to have the total concept of using may and might. Please watch it again and again to make different sentences using may and might, to master that use of may and might. And I tried my best to make you understand. If you like this video, please like it, share it for others. And if you think you want to have English classes with me, maybe any preparation for any interview or for any kind of grammar or speaking or whatever, I customize a course for you, and I have taught many students from many countries, and I have been teaching right now. So if you think you want to contact me, you may contact me. I have already given my email ID and Skype ID here in that video and below that video. So thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep enjoying learning. Thank you.